Did you know there are more than 20,000 species of bees around the world? A worker bee produces half teaspoon of honey in its lifetime. Bees pollinate over 100 different types of crops in the USA. Honeybees are so big they never to go deep. Bees can fly at speed of over 25 kilometers per hour, faster than a brown bear can run. Bees do not know how to make honey when they are born. They are taught by the older bees. It is collecting nectar. A bee can travel between 50 to 100 flowers in one trip. Hi guys, do you know why the bee crossed the road? Just because it's a dog. It's a dog. So cute. How do we cook their dinner? On the barbecue. Where the bees go on holiday? The beach! What's better than a singing bird? A spelling bee. What do you call a bee born in May? Maybe. What is a bee favorite music? A bee hop.